everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to HSBC credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in the URL www.hsbc.co.in and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, go to the log on button at the top right hand corner, and by using your online banking for HSBC, you can easily access your credit card. Enter your username in the text box that appears at the bottom of the screen. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, check this little box at the bottom, but if you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked before continuing. After entering your credential for your online banking account, click the Continue button. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your internet banking account for HSBC. Select the Credit Card tab in order to access and manage your credit card. That was how you can easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.